Talent retention and workforce readiness are not issues new to the Cincinnati region. GC3 sees making the region aware of the multitude of academic opportunities available at member institutions as a way of retaining the talent. The first step is making the general public aware there are 18 regionally accredited nonprofit institutions in the region. These 18 institutions offer over 2,000 academic programs. With that many schools and that many programs, how is one to know which school offers what? Until now, counselors, students, and parents needed to scour through 18 different websites to get a glimpse of each school's offerings. That's why we developed the GC3 Degree Finder. Located on the GC3 website, Degree Finder is a searchable database containing information on every program offered at every GC3 member. The GC3 Degree Finder allows counselors, prospective students, and parents to search on an individual institution and see all of the programs it offers. Or they can search on multiple institutions to determine if they offer the program the student is searching for, or they can search on a specific program to see which GC3 member offers that program. All results include a link to the program details at each school on that school's website. Never has it been so quick and so easy to see what and where academic programs are available in the region. This video is a demonstration of where to find and how to use the GC3 Degree Finder. The GC3 Degree Finder is located on the GC3 website at gccollegiateconnection.org. You can access the Degree Finder two ways. First, you can hover over the For Students and Parents item on the menu bar and then click on Degree Finder. You also can click on the Degree Finder picture on the home page. Both actions will take you straight to the Degree Finder on the website. Now, to search by a single institution, you'll see the list of the GC3 members. You can use this bar to scroll down to see all of them. But to search on a single institution, you just need to highlight that institution by clicking on it. Then you can scroll down on the screen and click the search button. You will see a list of every program and every degree type for that program that institution offers. You can page through all of the options to find the program you're looking for. By clicking on the program, the Degree Finder will take you to the program page on the institution's website, so you can look that program over and see if it gives you what you're looking for. Another search option is to search on multiple institutions. So you click on the institution you're looking for, click Control-Click, and this way you'll search on multiple institutions. If you want to see what are all of the programs offered at both of those institutions, click the search button, and it'll show you what are the programs available at both of those institutions. Another option for searching, if you want to search on all of the institutions for a particular program, you just type the program name into the search bar, click the search button, and it'll show you all of the GC3 institutions who offer that particular program. Again, you can click on the program and it'll take you to the page on that institution's website. So, no longer do counselors, parents, and students need to scour through individual websites to see all the academic opportunities available in the Cincinnati region. With the GC3 Degree Finder, it's all at your fingertips and you can find it with just a few clicks.